MoviesFair is an online movie server where customer can browse category-based movies like if we want to see adventure movies, then we can see category-based movie. Also, customer can search movie. Okay. If we want to see movie details or see online movie, we can select movie like Viking Season 1. Here we can see movie online. Let it full screen. Also, we can review and rating this movie. If we want to review this movie, we have to log in. First of all, we are going to register as a new user. Okay. In default, user rule as a customer. Also, rule-based functionality for admin, where admin can manage movies. So you are register a new user. Then register user can review this movie. Select rating from 1 to 10 and submit review. Okay, a user can see review and rating. Also, a movie can be downloaded from Google Drive. Download anyway, and download started. Back to index, and we can add movie to favorite and manage favorite movies. In my favorite, we can remove from favorite. Okay. Now we are test as admin email and password. Login. Admin can manage movies where new movie can be added or update. This is movie details and manage movie categories and rules. There are two rules: admin and customer. Another rule can be added. Also, there are important site and so one. It is responsive for mobile device and desktop device. Also select a drop down category.